Want to grow fresh veggies this spring and get a quick harvest? In just a few weeks, you could be enjoying your homegrown food straight from the garden. Let's dive into the top 3 fast-growing vegetables you should plant this spring. First up, we've got the radish. These tiny powerhouses are perfect for gardeners in a hurry. Ready to harvest in just 20 to 30 days, radishes are one of the fastest vegetables to grow, and they don't require much space. Plant your seeds directly in the soil, and you'll see those little red bulbs pop up in no time. Radishes thrive in cool spring weather, so they're ideal for early planting. Plus, they're a great way to fill up garden gaps between slower growing crops. Pro tip: thin out your radishes as they grow for better spacing and a stronger harvest. Next, let's talk about lettuce, but not just any lettuce. The leaf varieties grow super fast, and you can harvest them as soon as 30 to 45 days after planting. Lettuce loves the cool spring air and grows best in partial shade or full sun. You can harvest individual leaves, so you can enjoy fresh salads all season long. And the best part? You can replant it every couple of weeks for a continuous supply. Leaf lettuce is perfect for small spaces and can even be grown in containers, making it ideal for apartment gardens. And last but certainly not least, we have spinach. This green powerhouse is another cool weather lover, ready to harvest in just 30 to 40 days. Spinach is packed with nutrients and can be harvested as baby leaves or fully mature plants. It grows quickly and is perfect for spring planting. To keep your spinach tender, make sure you water it regularly. And when the temperature starts rising, be on the lookout for bolting, where the plant shoots up and goes to seed. But if you harvest early, you can avoid that. So there you have it, the top 3 fast-growing vegetables to plant this spring. Radishes, lettuce, and spinach will have you enjoying your homegrown harvest in no time. They're easy to grow, perfect for small spaces, and ideal for spring gardens. Don't wait. Get your garden started today and enjoy fresh veggies all season long. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!